In this quadrilateral series, we till now we have already learned that there are total 4 to 5 types of important quadrilateral: parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus, square, and trapezium. In previous video, we have studied what is a parallelogram. So let's remove it. And in the incoming video, we are going to study rhombus, square, and trapezium. So basically, in this video, we are going to study what is a rectangle. Now, again, rectangle is a type of quadrilateral. So that means it is a four-sided closed figure. So if you observe here, I have drawn one four-sided closed figure and I have named it as A, B, C, D. Now, definition of rectangle says it is a plane figure with four sides whose angle is 90 degree. So if you observe here very carefully, here in this quadrilateral there are four angles A, B, C and D, and all these angles should be equal to 90 degree. Measure of all these four angles should be equal to 90 degree. So a plane figure with four sides whose each angle is 90 degree is called as rectangle. Remember, this is very important. Now let's study some properties of rectangle. So let's have one rectangle over here with diagonal AC and BD. Now, first property of rectangle says opposite sides are congruent. We already saw in parallelogram opposite sides are congruent. That means here also opposite sides will be congruent. So here AB will be congruent to DC and AD will be congruent to BC. Similarly, second property says diagonal bisect each other. We already saw in parallelogram. Bisect means it is dividing into two equal parts. So here AO will be equal to OC and BO will be equal to OD. And third property says diagonal are also congruent. That means here we have two diagonal AC and BD, and measure of both diagonals will be equal to each other. That means AC will be congruent to BD. I hope everyone is clear with all three properties of rectangle, and I hope everyone is clear what is rectangle. Make sure that before going, hit like button and subscribe to my channel. Chalo, we'll meet in next video. Tab tak take care. Goodbye. See ya.